5 reasons to eat more turnips, plus simple ways to add them to your diet. Discover the power of turnips, the nutrient-dense root vegetables in the same family as beetroot, radish, and carrots, packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Enjoy turnips year-round by roasting or adding them to soups and stews, providing a wealth of health benefits and variety to your diet. Turnips can support your immune system, thanks to high vitamin C content, which aids white blood cells in fighting off infections. They also contribute to maintaining a healthy blood sugar, cholesterol levels, and weight management due to their substantial fiber content. Turnips are loaded with antioxidants that help to fight free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Turnips belong to the Brassicaceae family, known for glucosinolates, compounds that have been shown to reduce DNA damage and fight cancer. Finally, cook up turnips in a variety of ways, from roasting to pureeing, for a nourishing source of essential vitamins and a versatile addition to any meal. Turnips are best consumed cooked. 1 cup of cubed turnips contains calories, protein, carbohydrates, fiber, vitamin C, potassium. Turnip greens, the vegetable's leafy tops, are also an excellent source of vitamins. Just 1 cup of raw turnip greens contains about 35% of your daily needs for both vitamin C and vitamin A. Conclusion: turnips are a nourishing source of vitamin C, dietary fiber, and antioxidants that support the immune, digestive, and cardiovascular systems. The root vegetable is also versatile and can be added to tons of different meals. Try sneaking chopped turnips into your go-to recipes for a nutritional boost that won't taint the dish's flavor.
The information provided here is intended for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional advice and should not be construed as such. The content is based on general knowledge and may not be applicable to individual circumstances.